GR-200 Host Interface Software Settings Introduction. Official website www.grdetectors.com.
1. Press the power switch to turn on. When the power is turned on, the instrument carries out self-checking correction and sends out an alarm to indicate that the machine self-checks normally. 2. Pressing the Set V button will display the vertical depth of the current scanning operation when the power is on. At this time, the LED digital display will display the current depth value, such as 5 m is 5 meters. 3. Pressing Set H button will show the horizontal range of the current scanning operation when the power is on. At this time, the LED digital display will show the value of the current horizontal range, such as 50 m is 50 meters. 4. In the state of boot operation, long press Set V key, about 3 seconds, will enter the adjustment settings of depth parameters. At this time, the digital display screen will flicker. Press Set V or Set H key to set the parameters. During the blinking time of the digital display screen, the unit on the right displays M light to indicate metric system, such as 5 m to indicate 5 meters, and the depth parameters can be set in the range of 0 to 25 meters. Please set them according to the current geographical conditions. The terrain with complex environment is not easy to set too deep. If the setup is completed, the software will automatically jump out to the working interface in 5 seconds. 5. In the state of power on operation, long press Set H key, about 3 seconds, will enter the adjustment settings of horizontal range parameters. At this time, the digital display screen will flicker. In the time of digital display screen flickering, Set V or Set H key will be used to set parameters. The unit on the right side of the display and light indicates metric system, such as 50 m indicates 50 meters. Horizontal range parameters can be set in the range of 0 to 99 meters. Please, according to the current geographical conditions, the complex terrain is not easy to set to for. If the setup is completed, the software will automatically jump out to the working interface in 5 seconds. 6. Threshold adjustment. Clockwise rotation of the threshold knob. Sensitivity changes from low to high. From the threshold adjustment, we can see whether the current geographical environment is complex. The larger the threshold is adjusted, the alarm will start, indicating that the current geographic environment is not complex, which is conducive to the development of exploration activities. Only a little bit after the threshold adjustment, the instrument began to alarm, indicating that the current geographical environment is very complex, which is not conducive to the development of exploration activities. If the exploration work must be carried out in this environment, the threshold value should be adjusted as much as possible, and the parameters of depth and horizontal range should be lowered a little. Threshold parameter pre-adjustment is the best between alarm and non-alarm, and fine-tune with each instrument. In the case of rotating scanning, please do not adjust too much at one time. 7. Radar. After the instrument is self-checked successfully, the left and right radars will be scanned horizontally, without step adjustment. 8. Digital display screen. When the instrument is self-checked successfully, it will enter the vertical depth scanning. 9. Alarm. 3 kinds of reminders. When the instrument alarms in use, we can hear the sound reminder of alarm from the earphone. The infrared laser warning reminder. The pattern reminder of flickering on the digital display screen, flickering 3 times 10. Multifunctional indicator light. When the instrument is turned on, the workout indicator light is green, indicating that the instrument is working normally. When the workout indicator light is red, it means that the voltage is low. At this time, it needs to be charged in time. The instrument cannot be used under voltage for a long time. Otherwise, it will damage the instrument and reduce the sensitivity and stability of the instrument. It is recommended to charge for 4 hours before each exploration trip. The host interface software settings are explained. Finally, we remind you to recognize the genuine products published on GR official website in the process of purchasing instruments. Do not buy non-genuine products from other channels. Each instrument has its own unique anti-counterfeiting two-dimensional code and barcode, which can be applied for inquiry on official website www.gr-detectors.com and local distributors. If you encounter no problems in the process of detection, please contact GR official staff or local distributors in time. I wish you all the best in your exploration work. Good luck.